Welcome to AutoResolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ARC Riders Reconnect Available loop on PC with a simple step-by-step solution.
Fix 1. Restart game and launcher. Step 1. Close Arc Raiders completely. Step 2. Exit the Epic Games launcher, or Steam if using Steam. Step 3. Reopen the launcher and relaunch Arc Raiders. Fix 2. Check server status. Step 1. Visit the official Arc Raiders server status page or Epic Games status page. Step 2. If servers are down, wait until they are back online. Step 3. Avoid repeated reconnect attempts during server downtime. Disable VPN or proxy. Step 1. If using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Step 2. Connect directly to your local network. Step 3. Restart Arc Raiders and try to reconnect. Fix 4. Clear game cache. Step 1. Navigate to Arc Raiders cache folder, Epic Games, C users, your name, app data local, Arc Raiders, AID. Step 2. Delete the config and logs folders. Backup first if needed. Step 3. Restart the game. Fix 5. Disable firewall, antivirus temporarily. Step 1. Open Windows Security or your antivirus program. Step 2. Temporarily disable firewall or real-time protection. Step 3. Launch Arc Raiders to see if the reconnect loop stops. Step 4. Re-enable protection after testing. Fix 6. Reinstall the game. Step 1. Back up any save data. Step 2. Uninstall Arc Raiders completely. Step 3. Reinstall via Epic Games launcher or Steam. Step 4. Launch and check if the issue is fixed.